Damn it!
That one wasn't that loud. Will it dry? Okay.
Keep your hand, I swear. Have you recorded any of this? Are you recording?
The dropping part. No, I just got it on.
I know the stickers. I like stickers. Come on. Come on. Ain't that stuff pretty?
Yeah.
Okay, you got my screwdriver still over there.
Yeah, this is pretty. Not them. This is pretty. Not them.
Die!
Kid.
Whenever me and him was playing Minecraft together on the PlayStation, every time I tell him die, he just runs off something in some odd direction. He'll get in my way, I'll go, Nathan, die. He just runs. This keyboard is an odd position.
Get your butt away from me! I was like...
I love you, Nathan. You're just such a fun little kid. You might want to move your butt.
Oh, God!
I just need this. Get this out of my way. Okay, let's see. CPU fan, you just move out of the way. These bad boys, the antenna. I guess he's gonna be down here in the shot. Oh well. He needs to learn anyways.
Yeah.
Because if he ever wants a computer,
What's
and
this?
if he wants Uncle Wayne to build it, I'll build it for him.
What's the start button?
Well, I won't build it. I'll buy the parts. He can build it.
Does this button turn on the light? The start?
That actually turns the whole computer on. Oh. I turn it on right there or on the front.
Manual?
Actually, both ways are manual.
Oh. Who's that?
Neighbors. Wow, that's hard. I can't say much. Well, I can now because I don't have loud ass car.
Yeah, oh my gosh, that thing was loud.
Which one? My old one?
Yes.
You
That one.
Oh, the Reaper.
Yeah.
The white car you see there is his what's his foster parents what was his foster dad?
Yeah, foster dad. It was loud and heck.
Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's see if I can get it right down in there.
They built that car too.
Yeah. He was a pretty good mechanic. Let's see, can I settings, exposure, nope.
That picture right there, that's very dark. That bottom middle one.
That bottom one there?
Yeah.
There's a ghost in that one. Yep. But, okay. Drop you down completely then.
Sad whip. He's like a boss. Long John Silver.
Turn back on, you butt. That looks fairly clear, don't it?
Yeah.
Can you see me?
No.
Okay.
Tighten you down so you're not bending all over the place. Alright. Damn it.